Hello guys and welcome to the channel. It's Jessie Janet. So for today guys, isi-share ko sa inyo yung fresh baked na pandesal and anong tawag dito? Apple cake ni nanay. Ayan guys, kain tayo ng pandesal. Kala ko saan mag-start. Ayan, habang warm pa siya guys, ang sarap-sarap. Pakita ko sa inyo real quick. Ito guys, mag-ano tayo, kape, pandesal. This is the apple pie and pandesal. Wow, right? And I'm having an instant coffee this time. So yan, magkape na tayo.
I did other mermaid kitties. Do you want to see them? Oh, there's not supposed to be a nose on it.
You should go back.
I will help you.
And get some ingredients. You can go back.
Hanggang dito na lang guys itong aking short vlog. I hope na nagustuhan nyo yung pandesal tsaka yung apple cake. So, ito pala yung reality kapag nagpo-post ako sa FB Reels. Ito yun guys. So, ina-edit ko lang short and then naalis ko yung background kasi ganito kami guys kaingay. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bye!